In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of Manhattan Associates, Inc., a supply chain and warehouse management software company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MANH. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. On the platform, use the search box and type the ticker MANH. Locate and select the Manhattan Associates Inc. listing to make sure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary, sector, and the recent price chart. Confirm the ticker MANH and the company name so you know this is the right asset to trade. Tap Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Then carefully review the order details, fees, and order type before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when the market reopens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your MANH position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to review the platform.